Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Rifa. I am now at the Big Bear Lake, and to be precise, I am by the Big Bear Lake itself. This is like a very nice weather. It is like so cool. There's still a little snow from the winter, but the breeze is so cool, guys. Oh, feel this. So nice. The sun is really nice and the breeze is so cool. It's just the perfect weather for outdoor activities. And we're here. Look at these people like taking their dogs here, like a couple take a walk here too. And you can see these are the boats, like I think they are for rent, or there's also own boats. Look at the ducks there. So this is the season when there's no snow. It means people fishing or just relaxing. Oh, this is nice. This is my first time coming here to the Big Bear Lake, and of course I prefer to see the snow because that's the most beautiful time here in the Big Bear Lake. But of course there's still snow just like the leftover snow, but still it's beautiful. I just love to be here, like up in the mountain and feel the fresh air and see the green trees, see the nature. It's just also beautiful. Like nothing can beat the air of the fresh mountain. Nothing can beat the fresh air of a mountain, and nothing can beat the feeling when I'm here out in the nature. It's just so liberating. It's just so free. It's just so wow. That's I don't know, I think it makes me more grateful and just happy to be outside and enjoy the beauty of the nature, guys. So guys, stay tuned with me, okay? We'll go and sit together around this Big Bear Lake. Oh, those ducks are having so much fun in the water, and I think they're a couple. Are they like what you call that? Oh, look at that. Are they catching fish, food, or anything? Ducky. So many cottages and lodges and resorts and also cabins around here. You can still see the snow up in the mountain. So quiet. It's so nice, really beautiful. Look at all the dogs. Ducky. I'm gonna change. The trees are still so dry. the village where the restaurant, where the ice cream place, the boutiques are here. And also there's a theater over there, village theater. I'll be sitting here. Oh my gosh, so tiny. So guys, we're gonna take the horse ride. Oh my god, this is so much fun. So we're taking the one around the village, which is approximately 12 minutes for 15 US dollar per person. So we are 3 here. I'm so excited, guys. This is new to me, taking a horse ride. We're starting. Okay guys, the horses have stopped.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Guys, so that's the Big Bear Lake in Big Bear Lake Mountain. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like this video. I hope this video has been very useful and very informative to you. And do not forget to give me like, subscribe and comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.